Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Remitly supports debit and credit card payments. When you are sending money internationally through Remitly, funding your transfer using a debit card or credit card is fully supported. For senders located in countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, you can easily link your Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro debit and credit cards directly to your account to pay for your transfers. Using a debit card is one of the most popular choices because transactions are processed instantly, allowing your money transfer to move quickly to the recipient. It is a straightforward funding method that gets your transfer moving right away without waiting for traditional bank clearance times. When you opt to use a credit card, Remitly processes the payment smoothly, but you should always keep potential extra costs in mind. Many credit card issuers treat international money transfers funded by a credit card as cash advances. This means your card issuer might charge you a cash advance fee, along with a higher interest rate that often starts accruing immediately. Checking with your specific card provider beforehand helps you avoid unexpected charges on your billing statement. Beyond funding your own transfers, Remitly also allows you to deliver money straight to certain recipient debit cards, depending on the destination country. If the receiving country and bank support it, you can enter the recipient's 16-digit Visa or MasterCard debit card number, so the funds land directly onto their card. This removes the need for traditional bank account details or physical cash pickup locations, making the payout process much faster for the person on the receiving end. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.